In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Lovable app. We'll go from opening your browser all the way to getting a live URL you can share. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Lovable Dev. This helps you land on the official site quickly, especially if you don't have it bookmarked yet. When the results appear, click the correct Lovable link to head to the home page. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option and click it. Use your existing account to log in. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your dashboard. On the Lovable home screen, find the section labeled Projects. This is the hub where all your work lives, so it's the best place to start when you're getting ready to publish. You'll typically see either a list of your recent projects or a grid view of all your applications. Both views show the same content in different layouts, so choose the project you're ready to share. Take a quick moment to make sure it's the right one. Checking the name and thumbnail can save you from publishing the wrong app. On the project card, look for the 3 dots in the corner. This is the overflow menu. Click those dots to reveal more actions. From the menu, select Open in New tab. Opening the project in a new tab keeps your main dashboard available, which is handy if you need to switch back or compare details without losing your place. In the new tab, locate the Publish button in the top right corner and click it. This opens the publishing panel. Here, you'll choose a subdomain for your app. By default, Lovable suggests a URL in the format project name.lovable app. You can edit the subdomain if the name you want is available. Pick something short, clear, and easy to remember, ideally related to your app's purpose. Avoid spaces and unusual characters, and double-check for typos because this will be the public link you share. When you're happy with the subdomain, click Publish Changes. Lovable will process your request, and your app will go live at the URL you selected. If the page doesn't load instantly, give it a moment and refresh. It can take a short time for changes to propagate. Once it's live, copy the link and keep it handy so you can share it with your team, testers, or users. And that's it. You've successfully published a Lovable app. Nice work.